In a world where scientific discoveries redefine our daily lives, one breakthrough stands out. Did you know that magnesium glycinate, alpha-lipoic acid, L-Carnitine, nerve health, and neurophaty discomfort relief are often ignored despite their proven impact? Backed by scientific studies, these clinically tested ingredients form a unique synergy that supports nerve function, reduces inflammation, and promotes long-term vitality. Magnesium glycinate is highly bioavailable, soothing the nervous system and reducing discomfort. Alpha-lipoic acid protects nerve cells from oxidative damage, while L-carnitine enhances cellular energy and regeneration. Together, they create a powerful mechanism of action that restores balance and resilience. The discovery of this formula has changed how scientists view neurophaty discomfort relief. Thousands have reported improved energy, better sleep, and renewed ability to enjoy daily life. Clinically tested ingredients like magnesium glycinate and alpha-lipoic acid ensure safety and efficacy. This mechanism of action works by reducing oxidative stress, improving circulation, and supporting nerve tissue healing. The result is not just temporary relief, but long-term nerve health and vitality. Subscribe to the channel for more science-backed natural discoveries. Turn on notifications to receive the next reports from the 2025 report reveals. Link in video description.